This was made in Scratch, and no, that was not a joke. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 epic Scratch games that will blow your mind if you have one. So let's get started. So the first one is Scratch 3D Survival, a game that will remind you of Minecraft. So it's basically Minecraft in Scratch, but this time it's 3D and the camera is top down. Let's do a quick gameplay. So the second one is Cut the Rope 0.7. Now you all know Cut the Rope. It is a really popular and fun game. So before playing this, I thought this was a weird sticky game or something. Not so good, like made by a 12-year-old or something. But then I clicked the green flag and this is what I saw.
Oh my god! Wow!
So the third game is 3D platformer. Now this sounds really generic, but just check this out. Now this doesn't look that good as it was left in the alpha state of development, but it is a 3D first person platformer and that's what's crazy about it. It even has pickups. So the fourth game is Minecraft Ray Traced. Now by the name you might think this is something like image renderer or something. But this is an actual game. Just check this out. You can even break and place blocks in this, just like this. And finally, the fifth game is Shockwave II. Now this is something like really...
Oh my god!
I had an argument with the person that sent me this and said this is made in Scratch, and I said, just check this out. So these were some epic Scratch games and I hope you enjoyed. Like this video and tell me in the comments which was the best game. And also tell me if you want more these types of videos, like this kind of videos. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Recording without the headphone is really tough.